It was just very overwhelming, just a relief. It was just a weight had kind of been lifted off my shoulders, and it was just his smile, and it was just very emotional for us all, very emotional. But yeah, really nice, a nice moment. He had a mole. I had it removed and it came back that it was cancerous. 18 months, 15 months later, he just woke up one day and just had a lump under his armpit, like the size of a golf ball. He had it operated on and it spread, and that was it really. Growing up, I think I always wanted kind of the traditional way, you know, you meet someone, you get a house, you get married, have a baby. I remember just typing in on Google, like, how do I have a baby on my own? It isn't the most common thing in the world. My mum and my sister were apprehensive, to be honest. It's becoming more known. A lot of celebrities that have actually come out recently and said that they're doing it. I knew the NHS wasn't an option for me being a single woman. All the clinics I was looking at, like £10,000. The thought of like him passing away when I was so close, I couldn't think of it. It was just something I think he's wanted for a long time, and I think he called himself Grandad as well, which was very emotional. I think it was a big day, not just for us, but for him as well. It's nice to know that there are clinics out there that are giving people the opportunity to become parents. They're not expecting people to have tens of thousands of pounds because people don't have that money, especially in this financial crisis. He has brought a lot of joy to us all. He got us through a really horrible time. He's just all like I've ever wanted as well, so it is nice. All the cuddles, all the hugs.